Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, misfires, or poor acceleration? If your obd2 scanner has pulled up the P0397 error code, you might have a problem with the camshaft position sensor B circuit low, bank 2. Ignoring this issue can lead to starting problems, engine hesitation, and even complete failure. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0397 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0397? The P0397 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Low Input, Bank 2. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP, plays a crucial role in synchronizing the camshaft's position with the ECU, or engine control unit, ensuring proper fuel injection and ignition timing. When the ECU detects a low voltage signal from camshaft position sensor B on bank 2, it triggers P0397, affecting engine performance. Common symptoms of P0397 include check engine light, or CL, turning on, engine misfires or rough running, delayed acceleration or power loss, hard starting or engine stalling, and reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, the first step is locating the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP-B, for bank 2 is usually located in a few key areas. It can be mounted on the cylinder head, near the intake or exhaust camshaft. You might also find it near the timing chain or timing belt cover, positioned close to the camshaft gears. Another common spot is behind the valve cover, attached near the upper engine area. Lastly, in engines with dual camshafts, it could be on the intake camshaft on the bank 2 side. Just a quick tip: bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. For the exact location, you should check your owner's manual. Let's talk about the common causes of the P0397 error code. First, a faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP, might be the culprit. It could be worn out or defective. Second, wiring or connector issues can also lead to problems. Corroded, damaged, or loose wires can cause low voltage readings. Third, oil contamination is another common issue. Oil leaks can coat the sensor, affecting its performance. Fourth, timing chain or belt problems can be to blame. A stretched or misaligned timing chain can throw off sensor readings. And finally, a faulty ECU or software issues might be the cause. The ECU might need an update or reprogramming. Alright, so let's dive into how to fix that pesky P0397 error code. First things first, you'll want to scan for any additional trouble codes using an obd2 scanner. Next, locate and inspect the camshaft position sensor, also known as CMP-B, on bank 2. After that, be sure to check all the wiring and connectors for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Once that's done, test the sensor's voltage and resistance with a multimeter, and if it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Then take a close look at the timing chain or belt to ensure it's properly aligned. If necessary, update or re-flash the ECU software. Finally, clear that error code using your obd2 scanner and take your vehicle for a test drive to make sure everything's running smoothly. Now, just a few final words on the P0397 code. This code can, lead to poor performance and even engine damage if left untreated. If your car is misfiring, stalling, or having acceleration problems, make sure to inspect and replace the camshaft position sensor if needed. It's really important to address this issue sooner rather than later. If you're looking for more car troubleshooting guides, well, you're in luck. Check out these next videos: P0090, Fuel Pressure Regulator Control Circuit Open, and P0091, Fuel Pressure Regulator Control Circuit Low. They're definitely worth a watch. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more awesome car repair tips. We really appreciate your support. Catch you in the next video.